Not sure whether to take IELTS on paper or on a computer? Well, the test is the same and the content in the test is the same, but there are some important differences you should know. So obviously, when you're doing the paper-based IELTS test, all of your answers will be written on paper, whereas for the computer-delivered test, all answers will be typed on a computer. Now, for listening, on the paper-based test, you will get 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the answer sheet after the listening test is finished. However, with the computer-delivered listening test, you do not get any time to transfer your answers. For writing, on the paper-based test, you will do your answers on paper and write your answers by hand, whereas for the computer version, you will do your test on a computer and your answers will be typed. For reading, the paper-based and computer-delivered IELTS are very similar, but for the paper-based test, you need to use a pencil to make notes, and for the computer-delivered IELTS test, you can highlight text on the screen itself. Now, for speaking, the test is exactly the same for paper and computer. You will have a face-to-face interview with an examiner. Now, for the results, for the paper-based IELTS test, it's much slower. The results come out in about 13 days. And for the computer-delivered IELTS test, the results come out much faster, normally between 3 to 5 days. So as you can see, there are lots of little small differences, but the only thing that's exactly the same is the speaking test. So which one is better? Well, it really depends on your preference. If you type fast and want quick results, go for the computer test. If you prefer writing by hand, choose the paper test. So which one are you going to do? Let me know in the comments below.